Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between RGB and CMYK in your Affinity project. So you want to go ahead and open up Affinity. I'm going to open up Affinity right here and just basically open up a project. And if you're going to create a new document, I'm going to show you how you can set that at first. While if you're in your existing designs, then you can also change that. So for a new project, you click on the green plus on the upper right hand side and select the page that you wish, and on the right hand side you will be able to change that. You will see the option that says color format. Click the drop down there and you can easily change this to CMYK or RGB, right? So whichever one. So I'm going to open up the new document right here by clicking create on the lower right, and within a new document, let's say you want to change it inside the document, just click on document at the top right here from these menu options and go to setup and go to the document setup. From here, you're going to have a similar window up here, but within this section, you also have the option to change that. So you go down to the section for colors and switch this from RGB or select RGB, and you can also find CMYK 8 in the list there as well. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.